The misconception number two is that we think that microwave magnetrons have an antenna, and the antenna sends the microwaves into the cavity or the cubicle chamber we cook. So here's the microwave antenna, but the microwave antenna normally is attached to a waveguide, although this is a short waveguide, about 30 millimeters. And if you look inside your home microwave, you see that the waveguide is normally covered with a plate. And so there is a third misconception, and that is that microwave ovens have to be cubicles. So we have industrial microwaves that are cubicles with waveguides, and we have home microwaves. This is a home microwave that we just used for testing the aluminum foil. And since there is actually a waveguide that sends the waves into the chamber, so the question would be, why not transmit them away from magnetron? Why not send the waves through a waveguide outside of the cubicle chamber? In fact, we have done that. We have a video that is on the YouTube where the microwaves come from the magnetron, and we attached it to a different chamber, because once we can send the waves out, why do we need to have cubical chamber? Theoretically, then we can have round or cylindrical chamber. The same thing happens with large scale microwaves. We have a cylindrical cavity, and we have microwave waveguides that deliver the waves there.